So I just wanted to show this little tip that I learned watching a video. So if you have something small piece like this, where I have these door pulls that I made, drawer pulls, and I want them to stick on in place, but I don't want to drill holes because it might risk cracking something that small. What I learned is that if I spread some wood glue on the main part of the surface, and then I use some Gorilla Glue, or some super glue, super glue of any kind really, and put a dab in the middle, it's going to hold it on in place until that wood glue has dried. So I'm going to try to do this while holding. So I just squeeze a little bit of super glue on, and then I'm going to take it, and I've already marked out where this is going to go. Place it on, get it lined up. You got a couple of seconds to get it lined up where you want. Put some pressure down on it, and that'll be good. And I just did this one about a minute ago, and you can see that it's already held on tight.